Subscribe asp.net tutorial channel and press the bell icon for latest update videos. Hi friends, welcome to my channel asp.net tutorials. Welcome friends to SQL tutorial series. So friends, today we have learned like operator query in SQL Server 2017. So friend, let's start. So friend, first we have opened a database and execute, and we have see that table and we have select query first. Just from TBL student we have execute. So you have friends see all records are here. We have used a like operator in this table or records. We have used select star from TBL student where first actually we have using column name, first name, like sent a, and execute this query. So friends, you have see this all records are here to end will be the A. We have using a after and execute. So you friends see we have searching A for starting A, ending A. This is a starting A and this is a start end A. We have used this query. Okay, have you both are execute this query. So you have see this friends, all records. First wait, I have okay. So friends, you can see end A and start A. We have used both the queries searching the columns name. We have using a last name, execute, no records. All we have using a first name. Okay. So friends, I hope you like the videos. If you like the videos, please friend like, share and subscribe, and latest video update press the bell icon. For more information like my Facebook page, follow on Instagram and Twitter, join my Google Plus community. If you have any query friends, you can ask me a comment or mail, and visit my website www.asp.nettutorials.com, and thank you for watching video.